What's going on, boys, and welcome back to the channel. We are back at it again with another video. My name is Steven. Welcome to this garage. I know this channel is all about MR2s, but we've been working. We've been working on the Lexus, the IS300, and we just got to do a quick oil change. Dealers are super expensive. They usually charge about $120, $130 with taxes, and you could do it for half, guys. It's all about saving money. You could do it for half. All you need is OW20 oil, which is like 30 something bucks, with the filter, maybe 50. And then that's it. And then you could, put some gas. So it's like, you got to save some money. Anyways, guys, I'm going to turn the camera around, show you what I got. Damn, what's going on with that? Where's the light? It's the light. But yeah, let's turn the camera around and show you what I got. And we're going to do this super quick, super simple. I hope you guys enjoy. Let's get it. Dale. So this is what I got. I got my oil pan. If you don't have an oil pan, just use whatever type of jug you have. You could use whatever you have, guys. And when you use the oil, the old oil goes right back in and take it to AutoZone. They take it back free of charge and you're good to go. I do have this filler neck. It's for Toyotas. For the 2GRs, Lexus, whatever. Our motors are 2GRs, of course, just like that one. The Lexus has this motor, but newer generation. This is up to 2016. This one starts in 2017, something like that. But yeah, we got this filler neck. It's specifically for Toyotas, 2GRs. We got the oil, W20 and whatnot. We got the filter. This is the filter. This is the number. Oh, I don't know where that, or I guess that's the number. We do have the washers for the the washer for the bolt and whatnot. Got it from Amazon. You're gonna need a 14 to remove the oil bolt, the bolts from the oil pan. You're going to need this adapter for the for the filter. And of course, we're gonna need that to remove the filter. So, simple. I'm gonna show you real quick how you do it. Got my gloves and got my oil, whatever you guys want to call it, oil mat. Let me put this down and I'll be right back because this is gonna be under 5 minutes. I promise you. Let's get it. Dale. All right, peeps, we're ready to rumble, guys. We got our oil mat set. We got our oil pan, or whatever you want to call it. I don't know what you call this, but yeah, guys, we got our 14 ready to go. And yeah, we are under the car. We're just gonna keep on straight. We're gonna pass all this metal stuff. And this is, of course, the filter. This is where you're gonna use the adapter and whatnot to remove the this metal piece. That's all you want to do. And we have right here the oil pan bolt. You remove this, you get the 14, which I'm gonna do right now, and I'm gonna remove it. So give me 1 second, guys. Okay, boys, we're letting it drip. Now the bad part of having a lid is, of course, you have to put the pan up high just so that it doesn't spill. That's why I have the oil mat and whatnot. So we're gonna let that go. We're actually gonna come up here. Oh yeah. And we are going to remove the oil cap, and it's gonna help with pressure and make it faster when it comes to the draining and whatnot. So let's make sure we are okay here, and it looks like we are. So I just unloosened it. So we're gonna come remove this piece. Now, before we do that, we want to come here to our filter. Now, our filter brings a plastic piece, and this plastic piece. So once you remove that piece, that metal piece that we're going to do now, we're going to remove that. Whoo! We're going to go ahead. That's how it should look. We're going to go ahead and just add this piece in there. Now we're going to use this piece. Just put it in and just twist it, okay? So that's all we're gonna do now, and I'll be right back once I remove that. It's almost done draining. We're almost done. So we're gonna just go ahead. and put the O-rings. We got two O-rings. The larger one goes here in the last gap. As you guys can see, we gotta remove this one, and the small one goes right here. So just get something something small where you could lift up the rubber and go from there. So I'll be right back, and then we install the filter right here, and that's it. So I'll be right back, guys. All right, boys, old ones are out, new ones are in. Don't forget to put a little bit of oil inside, the new oil, of course. And then we're gonna put the metal piece in the bottom and stick everything right back. So we're gonna do that off camera, of course, because we're trying to keep this video under 5 minutes. So I'll be right back. And guys, don't forget the O-ring for the boat, guys. So we're gonna do this, and then we're just gonna put everything back together, and then we're just gonna add the oil and turn on the car. Be right back, guys. This is the oil that I am using again, and this engine bay, it's super dirty, super dusty. So of course, like we always do, after every oil change, we will be doing a quick detail on the engine bay. So easy. Remove this. There we go. And here we go. Make sure it's not leaking down underneath. And it's not. So we'll continue with the oil. Boys, we're not gonna turn on the car. We're just wanting it under accessories, and then we want to turn ignition on. Once we get to ignition, we're gonna come to settings right there, vehicle settings. I'm sorry. We're gonna click there, schedule maintenance. We're gonna clear that, reset data, yes, okay. Then we're gonna go back, oil maintenance, reset data, and reset that as well. So that is it. Anyways, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I will try to keep it as slow and fast as possible. I don't want you to be watching this video for 15, 20 minutes, 25 minutes just for an oil change. So we're going to try to do it under 6 minutes, 7 minutes, maybe even 5. The goal is 5. But anyways, guys, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Catch you in the next one. Dale.